Buildings in downtown Blountstown have been partially reduced to rubble. Metal scraps cover parking lots and many homes are damaged.
People in Calhoun County continue to work toward recovery after Hurricane Michael. Calhoun County schools are tentatively set to open November 1st. The curfew is now 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. there. A boil water notice is in effect for Blountstown water utility customers.
I've spoken to residents here in Blountstown who tell me they lost almost everything from the storm.
I think that is so amazing.
I think this community has been blessed beyond belief to have come through this storm with very minor injuries to very few people, and then the tremendous outpouring that I've seen from all over local areas, other states, all the people who have come in and willing to help has been tremendous. I don't think there's anyone here who I've talked to that was a local person that was not inspired and relieved and just, extremely grateful and thankful for everything they've had. There should be no one in Calhoun County currently that's hungry or thirsty. Everyone has come in and provided supplies and food and water, and from not only from the government, but just from all the private companies and parties. It's been tremendous. I just would like to tell them thank you. Thank you from all of us at the police department, our officers, and how much we appreciate our friends and neighbors in Tallahassee being willing to come. And I know I've seen a lot of groups in Tallahassee who have come to the donation center and are donating their time and their talent and their treasure, offering all this to a local neighbor, and we just truly appreciate it.